Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel, you gorgeous people out there. If you have never seen my face before, hi, I'm Becky. It's nice to meet you and I hope you'll stick around for a while and enjoy my video. So if you have seen me before, you probably realize that my dreadlocks are gone now. If you haven't watched my previous video, this is where I show how I remove my beautiful dreadlock extensions. And now I want to show you all how I detox my dreadlocks with the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit. I'm just gonna dive right in, show you how to do this step by step. And we're gonna see how much dirt, dust, and disgusting things come out of my dreadlock extensions by detoxing them. Let's dive right in. Alright, so first it says to fill warm water into whatever you're gonna soak it in. And then we pour in the deep cleansing balm out of the Raw Root Dreadlock Detox Deep Cleansing Kit. So you're supposed to drop in the balm and let it completely dissolve and be clump free before you put the dreads in. Just gonna stir it up a little bit, like a little mixing pot, so it doesn't stay all in one place. Alright, I think it's clump free now, and now I'm putting in the dreads. So apparently you're supposed to leave them in for at least 5 minutes and a maximum of 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna leave them in for like 25 minutes and then we'll see how it looks. Now we're detoxing my dreads with the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit.
20 minutes later.
Alrighty tidy, now it's time to take out the dreadlocks, and I don't think it's looking too bad, y'all. I've seen way worse, and I've been wearing those for 3 months already. So, well, we're just gonna look at that. Alright, it's looking somewhat dirty, but it's okay. It really isn't looking too bad. Honestly, I see a lot of sparkles in there. I don't think the camera is picking it up, but I think most of what we're seeing in there is just makeup that got caught up in my dreads. So, I don't know. Now we just need to let the water out and then rinse and squeeze the dreads. Now after rinsing the dreads out, this is not it yet, because there was still an ACV rinse in the Deep Cleansing Kit by Raw Root. The way you use this is you're supposed to pour it all over the dreads, the entire bottle, and then you're supposed to fill up whatever you used for that with hot water and let that rinse for 5 minutes as well. But only 5 minutes, not more. So now just letting them soak for 5 minutes. And that was that for the ACV rinse. That was just the last step. You can already see the water is basically all clean. The deep cleansing balm beforehand did all the hard work, and this was just the last bit to get it all deep cleaned and detoxed. I feel really good about that now. Now we're just gonna let it let the water out and then rinse off these precious dreadlock extensions with clean water again. And that is it for detoxing my dreadlocks with the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit. To the last step, just rinsing them off and squeezing them out with clean water. That is really important. Obviously you don't want chemicals and whatever is in the bath bomb and the ACV soap to stay in the dreads, because if you wear them, it is gonna be on your skin and everything as well. So you really wanna make sure to get rid of all kinds of chemicals. So just take a few pieces of the dreads, rinse them out, do that on every part of the dreads. And that is that for detoxing my dreadlocks with the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit. And where am I letting them dry, you ask? Right here on the shower head, in the shower. Because honestly, where else do you find a space where you can hang such long dreadlocks and where they can drip without getting things wet? So this is the best place I could think of. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you weren't too disgusted. This is actually what it looks like all the time. If you do any deep cleansing balm or anything like that on dreadlocks, this is always what it looks like, and usually way worse. I even think if you would do that on normal hair, it would look similar to that. So I'm pretty proud of the fact that it didn't look too dirty with mine, so I feel like I probably took good care of my dreadlocks. I really made sure not to like rub them around on the ground, lay on the ground all the time, or have my dog like all squished in my dreads. You know, I really made sure to keep them clean and smelling good and everything. So detoxing my dreadlocks with the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit was not too necessary, I guess, but I'm really happy I did it. Now I can put them back in and enjoy my fresh and deep cleansed dreadlock extensions. By the way, if you're looking for dreadlock extensions that look like this or somewhat similar, I will link down below where I have them from, which is Dread Shop. And they're called Renate's Locks of Love, and I think they're super beautiful, and I can only recommend them to everybody and anybody who really wants dreadlock extensions. I think they're perfect. They have kept up so nice. They still look so good. And yeah, so I'll link down below the Raw Root Deep Cleansing Kit as well as my dreadlocks. Have a great rest of your day and week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye!